Episode 446, Claude Cowork for Beginners, Your First 5 Workflows.
The AI 6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Is it time to delegate your work to an AI agent? Well, Cowork is Claude moving from conversation to actually working on your behalf. Hello, and you're very welcome back to AI 6, the podcast that promises to keep you updated on all things artificial intelligence in just 6 minutes a day. Today, I'm sharing how to get started with Claude Cowork. First, download and open the Claude desktop app. Click the Cowork tab, point it to a folder, and describe the outcome that you want. Claude reads what's there, proposes a plan, and then executes it, creating documents, organizing files, building spreadsheets, and keeping you posted as it goes. 2 important caveats before you start, however. Cowork draws more on your monthly usage allowance than ordinary chat, so it is best kept for genuinely multi-step work. And the app has to stay open while it works, so you cannot close your laptop or let it sleep mid-task if you want the workflow to continue and to finish. A note for those of you in government or in larger organizations: on team and enterprise plans, administrators can switch Cowork on for specific groups, restrict features by department, and expand access as adoption grows. That means the sensible rollout pattern is there for you. Start with a small pilot team. That's what I do with clients, and then set the guardrails centrally. And of course, then you can scale up after your pilots. So, your first 5 workflows. The first one is the confidence builder. You need to build the competency in using this agent. So, give it a messy folder, copy a sample of your downloads into a test folder, and then ask Cowork to sort by file type, rename everything descriptively with dates, and move anything older than 6 months into an archive. You can watch how it plans before it acts. So that's the first training workflow, I would call it. The second workflow is briefing. Drop a series of meeting notes that are disorganized into a folder and ask for one briefing document with key points, decisions taken, and actions with named owners. When I first tested Cowork, I pointed it at my published podcast show notes, and I asked it to see topic trends across over 400 episodes. Your third workflow is around expenses. Point it to a folder of screenshots of receipts. Ask it to build a spreadsheet with the supplier, the date, and the amount pulled from each image. Also a description. Then you verify the figures yourself, and all of your receipts are organized and checked in one place. The fourth workflow is turning notes into slides. Give it your talking points and your brand assets and ask it for a presentation, and then refine it through conversation. Ask it to make it more visual. Ask it to cut it to 10 slides only. Ask for a summary slide. Cowork updates the deck directly into your folder. And then the final workflow. This is about organization. Type or schedule a set of recurring tasks. For example, every Friday at 4 p.m, summarize every document added to this project folder into one page. Maybe you want a Monday morning briefing. Maybe you want media monitoring. Maybe you want a weekly status note for your manager. I have a recurring task set up that on Friday morning, Claude asks me for my ideas for the podcast for the coming week. And I talk those ideas into it. You see, I have a note on an app on my phone where I'm always collecting ideas of podcasts I've listened to, of articles that I've read, of TikTok videos that I've watched. And that curates my ideas in the moment. And then I talk through those ideas and my positions. And that's how we build out the episodes. So just remember some ground rules. Only give it files that you are confident that you're happy for Cowork to work with, because you've always got to manage your guardrails. So go ahead, Try out 1 or indeed 5 of the workflows that I've suggested. And of course, let me know how you get on. That's it for today's show. If you're ready to turn these insights into skills, here's how I can help. Get your copy of my book, AI Playbook, on Amazon. It's the perfect companion to the show. For weekly AI strategies, subscribe to my newsletter, Human in the Loop, on LinkedIn. Or if you want to take the next big step, you can take our CPD accredited professional diploma in AI. Maybe you need something more tailored for your organisation. You can book a call in my calendar at digitaltraining.ie. Or if you work in government or public sector, go over to publicsectormarketingpros.com. If you found this episode useful, please share it with a pro that you know. And I'd love to read your comments on Spotify. And if you can, take a second to like, rate, or subscribe wherever you listen. It really helps the show. This is AI6. I'll talk to you on the next episode.